This is Yumio, and this is video three of a three-part video series where I took you from, what I do, how I research web, like the competition, to how I create the content, and get backlinks and whatnot. And now I want to show you how to keep track of that, because what's the point if you don't keep track of it? This is a system that I use, seranking.com, but you can Google it. There's plenty of systems out there. This is just what I use because I got an AppSumo and I don't pay it monthly, so I take advantage of that. So, I mean, what you want to do, you definitely want to look at the different, I'm just going to show you this. Um, in this system, when you add an URL, it's automatically going to start looking at, it's going to like give you, okay, to add keywords. So it's going to give you keyword suggestions, and you can just click on them, and or you can add keywords manually. Another way of, if you're not ranking for anything, a hack that you can do is that you can go to any system. If they don't have, like, this one doesn't have competitive analysis like that. Actually, I think it does, but you can always import keywords, or you can just get keywords like from your competitors. So you can run this for a competitor, and then create like a project, add it, and then upload the keywords to your ranking track ranking thing. So what I do, and there's a reason why I'm showing you this, and I will have to show you a different one. Let me show you what I do. So when I buy links, or when I use my own PBN, because I do have my own private blog network, that I only use for particular customers. So what I do is that I group them, but even if you don't group them, I make notes. So if I do like a revision on a page because on the audit, like I reran a competition report, so that I know if I have to add more content, because of course more websites are created all the time, every day, every second. So you want to compete, because they're competing for the top spaces for those keywords on the internet. So, and then what I did is that, I added a PPM backlink, and or if I added, again, a PBN, this is from my own PBN, meaning my own thing. But if I get a backlink from someone else, what I do in those cases, let me see, it's not here. Is it? I did, yeah. Like I did, updated content based on ChatGPT, and like I also do that. I rewrite content to make sure that it can show up. And then here you see order links from Legit and Enrique. So this is the one of the vendors that I really like. And then so I just make notes so that when I'm looking the at the charts, I can see, okay, so this is, when did I add them, and if it had any impact or not. This is a very high competitive one, so I'm always having to, like, I'm still working on this keyword, but it's just to give you an example. So here I keep track of when I bought a thing, and and as I see results, I know, okay, so I need to do that, and I look to see if I have to change the content. Another thing that I like about this is that it gives you a content score. Some pages doesn't find the content, doesn't do that, but actually no, but this is a group, that's why I forgot about that. So here, like, this is 77, so I always try to stay above um 70. And like this one, I probably have to tweak it a little bit more, but you see 75, 74, 48, which is why it's like on the third page. So I need to go in here, and this is a Spanish page, so I have to tweak the content. And that's really, that's really useful. So it kind of lets you know on this score. Now I go more by the audit score, the software that I showed in the first video. I definitely go more, but this one is kind of, it correlates. I find that it correlates pretty well, and so, which is good. Like this is 85, and look, it's like on the top of the second page. I just need to push this one a little more, and then I should be able to be on the first page. and it's got the traffic. And another thing is that you can also add um, the the Google data from your website, your webmaster tools or whatever it's called today. They changed it so many times. I lose track. But you choose Google Analytics. You can also add that data here, so you can also have all of that stuff in one platform. So you definitely want to find a platform that does that. See, and it shows where the is coming from. It's organic, direct, display, video, social, paid. It's going to show you the where the traffic came from. So it was super easy. Once you have the stuff on your website, you should have no problem. The the analytics, Google Analytics, picking up the data. It took me not even a second to add this data here. So you have it all. You can have it all, and then the backlinks. I don't want to go over that right now. You can do an audit. There's so many things here that you can do, and you can actually even issue yourself a report weekly, bi-weekly, or every month, so that you can look at it, or you can just log in. They have an app as well. And again, I'm not necessarily selling you this, but this is the one I use, and this is how I can make a tutorial video. All right. So that's it. This is all my friends, and I hope that you enjoyed this series. If you like content split up this way, please let me know. I'm trying to keep the videos, less than 20 minutes each. Obviously, this is just very basic information. If you want more help, the link to schedule a chat with me is in the description box. And also links to all the services that I recommend. So you can do some of it yourself. You can just outsource it all, or I mean, there's so many options out there. You can do it in an affordable way, or you can hire someone like me that handles it all, so you don't have to worry about it. And and get reports just emailed to you. Alrighty, I hope you have a great day, and I see you on the next video.